In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Miro board in a Microsoft Teams meeting. If you've ever wanted to collaborate visually with your team during a live meeting, embedding a Miro board can make this interaction seamless and dynamic. Let's dive right into the process and make sure you're ready to engage your team with incredible visuals. First, let's start by heading over to Miro. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Miro dashboard. This is where you'll find all your boards. If you haven't already logged in, make sure to do so as you'll need access to your created boards to get started. Once you're on the Miro dashboard, locate the board that you wish to share in your meeting. This might be the board you've been working on for your current project or perhaps a new one you're using to brainstorm new ideas. Next, take a look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find the option to share your board. Click on the Share button. Sharing is easy, and what's great about this feature is that you'll have control over who sees and collaborates on the board. After clicking Share, you'll notice there is an option labeled Copy Team Invite Link. This is crucial because this link will allow your meeting participants to access the board directly from Microsoft Teams. So make sure you click on it, and the link will be copied to your clipboard automatically. Now that you have your link, it's time to head over to your Microsoft Teams meeting. If your meeting is already set up and scheduled, open Microsoft Teams and navigate to the meeting room. Once you're inside the meeting, look for the chat section. It's usually located on the side panel of the Teams interface and is a handy spot to communicate via messages or share links during the meeting. In the chat section, simply paste the link that you copied from Miro. By doing this, you're embedding the board directly into the chat, allowing everyone in the meeting to click the link and view or interact with the board in real time. It's as simple as that. Participants can now access the Miro board seamlessly, enabling a collaborative environment where ideas can flow freely. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded your Miro board into a Microsoft Teams meeting, making it possible for dynamic interaction and collaboration. I hope this guide makes your next meeting more visually engaging and collaborative. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.